He makes me believe in love. It's the uniqueness of his love that really, it just gravitates me towards him every single day, honestly.
At the end of the day, I'm speaking my truth and I'm really being myself. And without him, I don't think I would have been able to get this far in life.
That's what love is to me, honestly. Just our happiness together and our future together to grow as a person, or to grow as a couple. Love isn't just love anymore, love is our life. Any gift that's personal, anything that comes from the heart, anything that shows that he cares and takes the time to notice every single day, like any little things, would be the perfect gift for me.
I'm not very materialistic, but for me it has to mean something that comes from him. I would love that.
Every day is Valentine's Day for us, honestly. And whether or not that Valentine's Day is staying home watching a movie or just going out and having a great time anywhere we go, that's what it is for us.
I believe in love, and it should be celebrated every day.